Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a music bot to your Discord server. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is actually go to the server that you want to add the music bot to. It's worth noting that you neither need to be the owner or have owner permissions in order to do this. Okay, so the next thing we're going to want to do is actually be within the server, and then you're just going to use the drop down button there and select server settings. Okay, and then just come over to app directory under apps. Okay, and here when we're actually searching for apps, you're going to want to type in the words green bot. Okay, and it's going to be the very first one that will appear, and then you just want to select that green bot to your server, add to server, and then you just select the server that you want to actually add it to, and then press continue. And here are all the permissions that it's going to have within your server. So if you're happy to authorize those permissions, then you can just select authorize. Okay, and then you just have to go through a quick verification process, and then that'll go through a couple of screens, and then it's all ready to go. It's all been installed. So just go back to your server, and here you'll see it's been added. Okay, so the green bot allows you to do a lot of things within the server, but the main thing is to actually play music. Okay, so the next thing you're going to want to do is actually join the voice channel, and then in the text box you want to type in the command /play, and then press enter, and then type in the actual song that you want it to play. So we're just going to do God's Plan by Drake, and then it's going to search for that. And then as you can see, it's actually started playing the song. And then if you want to actually add another song to the queue, then you could just simply type in the artist again or another song, and then it will just be added to the queue and will play after that song has then finished. And that's pretty much it. That is how to add a music bot to your Discord server. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.